So, let's talk YouTube.
YouTubes,
as like Aaron likes to call it. So, question for you.
Okay, what's up?
How should you start your video?
Well, the first thing you have to do is you have to push record. So that starts the video. You should introduce yourself with your full name,
Address.
serial number, social security number, passport number, and you cannot leave out your driver's license number. Just cover all your bases.
Did you say phone number as well?
Well, I mean, to identify yourself, you don't use your phone number.
This is true. But no.
Oh.
I would actually recommend not using any of those things.
My second guess would be to say, "Hey guys, what's up?" And then just start with what you're doing. But you have to have that same energy.
Better. Good energy, but...
Okay. I'm right.
But no.
All right.
So the first thing you want to open your video with is a hook. So like, hey guys, today we're going to talk about YouTube. And then usually most people have some kind of...
I'm so interested.
Well, because you're telling them that...
I know.
I mean, if you can be more specific, like, hey, like in mine, I'm like, do you want to learn how to, do this on Squarespace? Do you want to learn how to customize your sidebar on WordPress? Whatever it is.
Yeah.
If you can be more specific, that's good. But you want to give them the hook so that they know, okay, like, I'm on the right video.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Not just... Because, I mean, how many times have you, like, tried to figure out something and when you pull up the video and they're like, it's just a screen and it's like, today I'm going to teach you WordPress.
That's basically the videos that I watch in production. It's like, okay, we're going to talk about this thing right here, and we're not going to show you very much. We're just going to talk about it.
Yeah, which is also...
so, not good.
Which is also, talking about the screen, you want to be on camera.
Correct.
Even if, like, because I'm a WordPress or web designer, and I'm doing these WordPress tutorials and such, even if, like, 95% of my video is me just sharing my screen saying, okay, step 1, step 2.
Right.
Like, the first 5 to 10 seconds is going to be me.
Cool.
And then you have your intro, animation, whatever you want. Some people don't have it, but if you do, have a quick little...
It's always fun.
Animation.
Yeah. And
then go into, like, whatever you're going to talk about.
Sure.
So how do you end a video?
Just cut to black.
Just like... And that's how you do that. Done?
Yeah.
Are you going to say, like, bye? Or...
Done. I mean, I guess if you want...
Are you going to make that sound?
You must say, please like, subscribe, and comment right here. You have to say that. Otherwise, YouTube won't let you on there. They just won't let you.
Well,
Steve Jobs is watching. No, wait. Apple doesn't... Google owns... I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry. Google owns you, not Apple. I apologize.
Yeah, but you are correct in saying, leave a comment,
yes,
or like it, share it, whatever.
Yeah, it's an action step, right?
Yes, you want to leave with an action step because you want to drive engagement on your video. That's the most, because YouTube sees that engagement and they're like, oh, a lot of people are talking on this video over here. I mean, it's kind of like, when you're searching restaurant reviews and you see a lot of people talking about, like, ooh, this is, and then you go to like this restaurant and you're like, okay, there's like 2 reviews.
It better be new.
I'm not sure if we want to go here. So that engagement just helps show YouTube, like, people are interested, people are liking it.
Cool. Okay.
So that's really good, just giving that call to action.
Yeah, okay.
So how long do you think your YouTube videos should be?
Well, I really think that depends on the content.
Okay, so how long do you think my videos should be?
No more than like 6 or 7 minutes. Yeah, because I mean, it is helpful content.
You better say that.
It's very extremely helpful content, but it's not like people doing crazy stuff where you're like, oh my god, I have to see what there's gonna happen. Ah! And so you'll just watch for 10 minutes and then nothing ever actually happens.
Are you saying my WordPress tutorials are not like crazy?
They're not sit on the edge of your seat and like anticipating.
Yes, they are.
That's how you put a web page together? No.
People are definitely thinking that when they watch mine. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, but I think it depends on the content.
It does. It does.
Okay.
I can see.
No offense to anybody out there with any other helpful website or YouTube video.
Whatever.
Just saying.
Whatever. You're not even subscribed to my channel, so you don't even know how long my videos or how great they might be.
I am not her target market, so she would probably unsubscribe me anyway.
You can't
Let's
do
be
that.
honest.
You can't do that. But it does depend. But and who knows? YouTube may continue. Their algorithm kind of changes, but it's around like 3 to 5 minutes for most.
Which is pretty attention span-ish.
Yeah.
Like, but
But don't, I mean,
minutes.
like if you can get your message across in a minute or 2 minutes, or if you need 7 minutes, then take 7 minutes.
Yeah.
Like if it's going to take you, like, don't be like, I'm going to teach you how to build a bookcase. And then like you miss a bunch of steps because you're trying to fit it into 4 minutes.
Now, is there time max? Like you need at least this amount of time.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
I mean,
what if I can get my point across in like 30 seconds?
Okay.
I mean, okay, you're probably not gonna, but I'm just like,
I don't know that.
Is there too short of a video?
I would say at least 30 seconds.
Okay.
Because otherwise, well, what was the point of the video? Like,
that's true. It's just like a little teaser.
Yeah. I mean,
okay. All right.
You would have to be
works.
super quick in whatever you're teaching to just be like, okay, because there are people, you have to remember that like, someone knows, like, let's say you're showing them like how to take a picture with your iPhone. Mm-hmm. And you're like, you have to realize that like, you know, older people or anybody who's not tech savvy might not know like where the camera icon is or what it looks like.
Well, that's true.
So
but once you locate the camera icon, it's like click that button.
I know. What I'm trying to say.
Click the big white button.
What I'm trying to say is, you may think like, oh well, people are gonna know where this button is or
that's true.
What this, where the whatever is, and so you kind of skip steps, or you're like, oh, I can just go straight to the app, or just go straight to the page and not take the viewer through.
That is frustrating because sometimes I'll be watching a video like a tutorial or something, and then this dialogue box will pop up, and I'm like, where'd that come from? I literally don't know where you just found that. I am watching this video to learn where that dialogue box is. Yeah. So okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. So just making sure that you get all the steps that you. So even if it's like a super quick thing, you're like, I don't think it needs to be more than 30 minutes. Well, or 30 seconds, not 30 minutes. That would be a really long video. But just making sure you walk them through.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, you don't have to like draw it out like, you want to push this button. But so those are some kind of YouTube scripting and length questions.
Cool.
Because a lot of people, when they're starting YouTube, they're like, I don't know how to start or end. I don't, like, how long should it be? That's a common question of how long it should be. Can
I add an Aaron moment of wisdom?
Oh, yes, please do.
I would say, if you're wondering all those questions, don't right away. Just, if you've got something to say, push record and start your video. This is true. Start doing it. And then once that's out of the way, you've sort of loosened, like, that sort of hesitation is gone. Then worry about like, okay, well, next video, how am I going to start my video? But don't let all this stop you from starting. That's all I would say.
Smart. Yeah. No, it's very true because people get caught up in like do I have the right camera? Do I have the right
Yeah.
lights? And well, what if? How do I do this? When it can only go up.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Like if all you've got is a smartphone.
That's how I started.
Yeah, just point it at your face and start recording. It'll be fine for the first video.
Yes, it will. So, if you have any YouTube questions, let us know down in the comments.
Please, and like and subscribe right here, right here, and right here.
That was too many here's. But
Well, or right here, the progress bar. We're about right here now. I hope I'm on the right spot for the progress bar.
anyways, thank you for watching. See y'all next time.
Bye.